My people, today will be the second day for this cybersecurity awareness month. You will reason this password matter because it tire me. It tire other cybersecurity specialists too. If your password na 12345 6 or your password na your name, then you come add 123 to am. Omo, you no go stress hacker to enter that account. I tell you true, because that one no be password again. That one na invitation card. You reason am now. Hackers get software wey dey use dey test millions of password per second o. They no dey rest, they no dey tire. So if your password come weak now, e mean say they go enter inside ASAP. You no go stress them. You understand? Imagine say you lock your house, you wan yeye padlock like that. Wey be say ordinary pure water fit cut am. E mean say you no go stress thief to enter inside that house now. That's why e be too for online, my people. So to use weak password or easy password na very big risk. Person go use password like Chibuzo 2005, Amaka 1992. Hackers no go sweat before they enter that kind of account. You understand? So weak password na very big risk for online. So na im make tomorrow, me wey be your online police for the month, I go teach you how to create strong password. Wey strong like iron gate, no go anywhere. Make we dey follow am dey go like that small small.